Do you need to get in shape? Try Blueshape.
LensVid's coverage of IBC 2024 is brought to you by Small Rig, Big Dreams, and Hollyland, made to inspire.
Hi, we're at IBC 2024 and we're at the Blueshape booth and we're talking to Pietro. Hello, Pietro.
Hello, Ido.
Good to see you. And you
Good to see
have
again.
quite a lot of products, new products for IBC 2024. You showed me just before this video a few of them. So let's start with what you have over here.
With pleasure. So I'm very proud to introduce our new lineup of B-mount batteries. They are 28 volt nominal batteries, and we have a range of 4 models, from the smaller 145 to the medium size 290 and the biggest, the 435 watt hour. They are quite interesting because we are introducing a new type of lithium-ion cells that bring the battery performance at a very high level. We are using 21700 lithium-ion cells that they discharge with greater efficiency and provide a very interesting performance. Plus, we add some feature to the battery that is a double array of LED that can be seen all around the battery, okay, with touch button. There are no more mechanical buttons for better mechanical consistency, okay. 2 D-tap regulated and 1 USB-C PD that can deliver up to 100 watt, 20 volt, 5 amp. You can power a MacBook from that.
Did you have, I think that you have a previous line of B batteries. Did you have USB-C on them? I don't remember.
This is a new introduction that we start to have with the B-mount batteries, okay? Also, we integrated a very interesting transmitter, the GRANITE Smart series that we call Smart because they integrate Bluetooth low energy transmitter, and through an app that is available for smartphones and tablet, users can monitor the battery remotely in a very, very easy way. Just opening the mobile phone, the smartphone, and receiving battery data that is organized in battery in charge, battery in use for
so if you have like a rental house or a big production with a lot of batteries, you can see the status of each battery.
Yes, and also even the user on the field can monitor the status of a battery that is not exactly in his hand, okay?
So if you have a camera up there and
10 meter, 20 meter away, so it is very, very useful. We also have designed a hot swap model, okay, that you can see here. The battery has a male mount on top, so it can, you can see a demo here. 2 batteries are joined together, and according to the ARRI standard, it can host up to 4 batteries. So the camera is capable to communicate with all the 4 batteries. The topmost battery is the one that empty and work and discharge first. So you can continuously remove the outer battery and having a continuous operation.
So you can have like basically a lot of power, but still have a hot plug for a new battery?
Every time you remove the battery, the power is taken by the remaining batteries, okay? With power in...
And I think it's also good for flights because I'm not sure, well, these are, I'm not sure if this...
The 145 can be in your hand luggage, yes.
That's
2 pieces per person, yes.
So that's
we also have 100 watt charger that simultaneously charges at 100 watt each channel, okay? And we are developing a quad charger with 4 simultaneous charging bay up to 100 watt per channel with a nice LCD that gives a lot of information, okay?
Okay.
This is for B-mount.
This is under development, it's not ready yet?
Yes, it is under development, it will be ready beginning of 2025.
Okay, let's go and I think, unless there is anything else here, let's go and look at some, I think, V-mount batteries or another B-mount?
Pocket V-lock.
Okay, fantastic. Let's go. So Pietro, what do we have here? I see a lot of small V-mounts.
Yes, correct. This is a new line of batteries that we call pocket batteries, okay? They are V-lock batteries, okay? You are seeing here prototypes because we are preparing them for the launch at the end of October. And they are very, very compact. We call them Smart Pocket. The first model is this, an impressive 145 watt-hour battery, okay,
Very small.
that has really a lot of energy in a very, very small size. As you can see, it is a V-lock, okay? It has 2 array of LEDs with a touch button on both sides, okay? 2 D-tap on top, you can charge and discharge from here, and 1 USB-C PD, bidirectional, capable to deliver up to 100 watt, 20 volt, 5 amp.
So you can
Again,
charge
you can
a
power
laptop.
a laptop. You can charge the battery from a charger here. And they are smart, so they integrate the same transmitter that we just see on the other bigger batteries. So through the app, you can monitor your battery when you are filming. Now, together with the lineup of small V-plate that we are launching, okay, we have this small V-plate. They also have double D-tap and double USB-C PD.
So
when you use a battery like that installed on a V-plate, okay, like that, and you have a setup like a belt mount adapter or a cheese plate adapter like these, you have 4 D-tap, 3 USB-C PD. So you can power really a lot of things. Nowadays, the USB-C PD is the standard, okay? Because you have an array of power that you can charge, you can deliver power, so it is fantastic. So this range will be done by the 145, a very, very thin 75 watt hour. Normally the competitor, they have 45, 50 watt hour.
Yeah.
So using this higher size lithium-ion cell, we can achieve 75 and 220. You can see it here.
Very compact.
220. Still Bluetooth transmitter, double D-tap, USB-C PD, but the size is very compact. You can see. So you can power a small camera setup like that. You can run for
many hours
of operation.
And I think you're also showing some.
Yes, we have. Thanks because of the USB-C PD, we introduced this DC coupler, battery eliminator, false battery, for several model of camera, Sony or Canon.
Yeah, this is Sony.
Nikon, okay,
yeah.
This is a Sony.
Yeah.
For instance, okay, they fit in the camera and they get the power from the USB-C PD, and they power the camera at 8.4 volts, like a fully charged battery.
Yeah. And I think we talked about this before. This prevents overheating of the camera because this is a dummy battery and not a real battery.
Just bringing the voltage taken from the battery, and the battery is regulating it.
That's fantastic.
And yes, and this is very, very interesting.
Okay. And so this is everything, or you might want to show us another thing?
Something very interesting. All our smart batteries that have a USB-C PD port, they can deliver data. So we have designed an application for end users, but not only for end users, but mostly for end users. They can plug a cable, connect to the computer, and discover and set up their own batteries. So they can get battery information on their status. They can send ticket to us. They have utilities. They can receive support from us. So it is very unique and fantastic service center.
So maybe let's take a look.
So Ido, as I was telling you, our battery with the smart indication and having the USB-C PD, they have a port that allow for exchanging data. So we provide an application that we call it SMARTMon, okay? You just plug the battery here. The battery is detected very quickly, and you just read battery information. So the user can see cycle count, state of health, imbalance of the cells, various status indication, remaining capacity, the full charge capacity, a lot of indication that gives the confidence of how good or maybe how bad the battery has become.
This is very detailed information, the temperature I see, mAh.
Then there are options. The user can, can change the LED or for instance, to have the fixed light or on touch. Decrease the intensity of the light of the LEDs, okay? How they want to operate. There are utility toolbox to reset the battery, to clear errors if happens, to place the battery in ship mode. Ship mode is a modality very interesting for flying. because deactivate completely the battery, switch the battery off, no more power, no more risk of short circuit, nothing.
Oh, that's
Or
fantastic.
else, also prepare the battery for a long time storage, because reduces to practically zero the self-leakage, so the battery will last longer.
Is this the first battery that incorporates
No,
these two
we
features?
have it, everything in our battery. We ship the battery in that mode to resist for long time storage, and we also give the power to the user to do that.
To do that, that's fantastic.
And then there is a possibility to send us support ticket. The user has the ability to send us an email, okay, that is automated by the system, that upload all the battery information to us, so we can examine the
So if there
battery
is a
remotely.
if there is a problem, you can know exactly what the problem is.
And then we can send back battery updates or operations that the system will automatically apply to the battery to improve the battery operation or to fix a problem, if in case it is, okay? And also, the user has the possibility to see the history of his own batteries. So I can
something
see all my
happened or-
batteries. I can see how many times I have investigated this battery during the year, and I can see how the battery was times ago, how the battery was 6 months ago, and I see the difference, okay? I can have the feeling how my battery is deteriorating, okay?
I think that this is fantastic. It's good for regular users, but for users who control a lot, like if you have dozen
Absolutely,
battery, 20,
absolutely.
30, whatever number
Yes, yes.
of batteries, if you have a big production company,
Absolutely.
this is essential because you
very
can
unique.
track all of your batteries. So
This is
it's
absolutely
really
very
useful.
unique.
Yeah, that's very, very capable. One thing that you didn't mention, do you know the pricing of some of the batteries? Well, we talked about a lot of them, so it's maybe
Yes,
difficult.
I want to go by memory, okay, because the pricing are on our website.
So
but
maybe we can put it on the screen, and I think it will be a better idea instead of mentioning all. of
okay,
them.
yes, thank
But
you.
the V mounts are going to be available, at least some of them, in next month.
145 will be the first one, end of October, and the 75 watt hour and the 220 will be available beginning of 2025 in January.
Okay,
Okay.
that's very good. Okay, so
And,
Pietro, another thing?
One last thing, yes. I want to just demonstrate that, okay, these are regular V-Lock batteries you can charge on any V-Lock charger, but conveniently you can use a USB-C PD charger, okay? In this case, we are using a high-power 65-watt charger, but you can even use a
Phone charger or anything?
phone
yeah.
charger. The phone charger is only 20 watt, so you will have a longer charging time. But in any case, yes, you can charge easily with every USB-C PD charger.
So yeah, so this is that. I think that we covered everything, a lot of things, a lot of new things
Yeah,
in this
a
show.
lot.
We will have the pricing on the video or at least on the article. Thank you very much, Pietro.
Okay, thank you, Edo.
Thank you. And for all of you, don't forget to subscribe to LensVid and check out more videos from IBC. See you in the next video.